App Review plugin. On your Swipecart dashboard, click Add-ons Plugins. Select the App Review plugin. On the App Review plugin page, click Install to install the plugin. Select a layout for your pop-up widget. Switch to When to Open tab. Configure when to open the pop-up. Prompt customers for a review after placing an order. Collect reviews when they receive their products. Choose Current Session Time checkbox to collect reviews after the user has spent a certain time during a session. Select Frequency checkbox to get a review with the given frequency. Click Total Session Time checkbox to collect reviews once the user has spent a certain time on your app. Save the changes. Now, go to App Designs. Click Preview to preview the App Review plugin on the mobile device. Select Try it on your device to scan the QR code and view the review pop-up on your Swipecart mobile app. Thank you for watching.